All right, guys, this is Jimmy's Garage outside. Today I'm just gonna show you a really simple, quick way to make a really pretty flower bed in your yard. I have this little corner of the top part of my backyard that just kind of has some weeds and stuff growing, so I'm gonna plant this flower. It is a wildberry cone flower and it requires full sun, and this is one pretty good sunny spot in my yard. So I have the potted plant, I got a shovel, wrought iron rake, I got some bricks, and I got some mulch. And that's pretty much all you need to get this going. So let's get to work. All right, so I got my area all raked out. I pulled out some of the big stones and I kind of have an idea of where I want to put my bricks to make the line for the bed. And I got my plant ready, I got my watering can ready. So I'm just gonna get this hole nice and wet. You kind of want to saturate it, everything, and then you want to plant it, and then you want to give it some more water, because if you put nice moist potting soil into dry sand, the dry sand's gonna soak up all that moisture and the plant won't do so well. So you want to make sure you get everything nice and saturated and then plant it in, and then we'll just start making it look pretty. Okay, so here's my finished product, everybody. Hope you like it. I chose this spot because it was in between a fence post and a tree, and I thought it would be a good place to make a border. And I think it came out really, really nice. These are old bricks that I recycled out of a building project inside my house. I took them all out, so I thought it would look nice. The black mulch does a really good ground covering. As you can see, there's plenty of space when we want to add another flower or two. So I didn't get to film everything I wanted to on time lapse because I had a really professional setup here of holding the camera on an empty bird bath, and the camera fell over, so I didn't get everything. But so that's really all you need to do. Clean it up, pull some rocks out, make sure you get the ground nice and wet, pick a good spot for what your plant needs, and then use something like some old bricks. You can even use old rocks if you have something like that in your yard. But I think if you make clear borders, it can look really good. So hope this helps you guys. Hope this gives you motivation to get some stuff done in your yard this spring and summer. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Even if you don't like it, let me know also. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day. Take care.